In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a password on Notion. To get started, open Notion on your device and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. This process is very quick, but it's important to do it carefully so your account stays secure and easy for you to access later. Once Notion is open, go to the Settings area, then choose My Account. This is where you can manage your personal account details and security options. If you're using the desktop app or the web version, the layout may look slightly different depending on updates. But the account settings are typically easy to find from the sidebar or main menu. Inside My Account, look for the option related to your login or password. From there, create a strong password for your Notion account. A strong password should be unique and difficult for other people to guess. In general, it's a good idea to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using simple words, predictable number patterns, or personal information that could be easy to figure out. When creating your password, choose something you can store safely and access when needed. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save it there so you don't forget it. Using a unique password for Notion is especially important because reusing passwords across multiple accounts can increase your security risk if one of those accounts is ever compromised. After entering your new password, review it carefully before saving to make sure there are no typing mistakes. Even a small error can make it harder to sign in later. Once everything looks correct, confirm the change and let Notion update your account settings. At that point, your password should be set, and your Notion account will have an added layer of protection. If you're already signed in on other devices, it can also be helpful to remember your new login details in case you're asked to sign in again later. That's all it takes to create a password on Notion. It's a simple step, but an important one for keeping your workspace and personal information secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next